Hello and welcome to Family Law with YLaw. My name is Leena Yousefi. A very common issue that arises in family law is simply which school your children should go to. The reason why this arises is obviously at the time of separation, in most situations, one parent moves away from the family home. That parent might be the primary parent. And now moving away means that the current school of the children might be too far, compared to the new location that the parent lives in. Other situations may be that the child has special needs and one parent thinks that, for example, public school is great and the other parent says, no, because of the special need, we need to enroll the child in private school. It could be religious disagreements where one parent wants a Christian school, for example, the other parent says public school. Like I said, it could be location and a variety of factors. How do we deal with schooling disputes as lawyers? Is we look at, and the judges and the law looks at the specific needs of the child, what these schools are offering, whether there are any expert reports, for example, from doctors, counselors, and so forth, speaking about what the child needs more, and sometimes some witnesses, testifying to the issues that a child, for example, is having at the current school. And those things inform our decision. When it comes to geography and location, that's harder, right? So if a child is already going to school, they have their friends and they know their teacher and so forth, and one parent who might be the primary parent moves away and now the distance is very long, the choices are either that parent has to travel very unreasonable distances to take the child to the same school, or the schools need to be changed so that the child is closer to that parent. These situations get very complicated and decisions are not that straightforward. If there's a dispute, the choices that parents can have is, number one, they can mediate and see a mediator and see if they can agree on something. It could even be a timeline. It doesn't have to be like a black and white decision. They could engage a parenting coordinator who may be able to make a decision on their behalf, or they can go to court with the assistance of a lawyer. The best thing is to take it step by step and first just get a good review of your situation and your chances of whether you're going to be successful or not with respect to the specific situation. Asking AI or things like that about these situations is the worst thing you can do because each family law situation is so unique that it requires a human brain to apply its own analytics to it and to give you the proper strategy. AI works backwards based on what has happened in the past and gives you general outcomes, but you need somebody who can actually understand your situation, be able to comprehend it as a human and give you advice. For any other questions or information, please call us at 604-974-9529 or email info@ylaw.ca. Thank you.